Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a strategy PM plan in SAP. In plant maintenance module, there are two types of PM plan. Number one is single cycle maintenance plan and other is strategy PM plan. And single cycle maintenance plan is usually a time based plan in which the frequency is fixed. For example, you want to do a maintenance on any equipment after a fixed interval of 3 months, then you prefer a single cycle maintenance plan. Whereas in strategy PM plans there is a variable parameter. A strategy PM plan is further defined in three categories, that is your condition based, that is your performance based, and on your running parameters, that like running hours of any equipment. So in this video we will learn how to create a strategy PM plan in SAP. There are few steps to achieve this. Number one, we have to define a maintenance strategy in SAP. Then we will create a task lists that are attached to maintenance plan. Then we define a measuring point, then we create a maintenance plan, and finally we schedule it. So watch the video step by step, you will learn a new thing. Thank you. Go to the transaction IP11, then go to new entries, enter the name HRLD Co. Now enter the description, that is mandatory. We will copy it from here. Our scheduling indicator is time. Our unit strategy is HR, that indicates hour. Our call horizon will be 100%. Our late shift completion factor will be 5. The tolerance for will be 95. We will repeat the same 5 and 95. Now save. Go back. Now you will see the PM strategy in the main list. Here, double click on it, double click on packages, click on new entries. Now it will allow you to enter the entries. First of all, we will enter cycle length, that is 4000, then 8000. Then for compressors we have 32,000 and finally 48,000. The maintenance cycle text is 4000 hours PM, 8000 hours PM, 32,000 hours PM, and 48,000 hours PM. Now we will enter the cycle, that is your 4K, 8K, 32K, and 48. We will remove this K. Now we will set up the hierarchy of packages. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now we will enter hierarchy text 4K, 8K, TE, MO. Enter. Now we will save the maintenance packages. The data is saved and the maintenance strategy has been created. Now in the same way we will create another maintenance strategy for the engines. So steps are same, just go for it. Alright, now we are done with the step 1. Now we will look how to create task lists. Go to transaction IA05, press enter. Now enter the group counter text. We will copy this. Mechanical task list, planning plant, enter planning plant, WH01, work center, MNT dash Mac, WH01, usage. We will select for plant maintenance, planning group, DHK, status, release journal, system condition, equipment shutdown, and maintenance strategy. Since this is for compressor, we will copy this, Control C, and we hit here. Now go to operation. Now we need to enter the operations description along with long text. So first of all, I will write here 4000 hours PM. Select this, go to long text, more, text, upload, rich text format. Click here, desktop. Now I will add HR, this one, 4K HR compressor, and select this. Text has been uploaded. Now go to change editor. Now you can see that the task list has been updated here. Go back. I will write it this again. Go to long text. Go to change editor. Back. Unselect this. Long text. Go to change editor. Nothing here. Go to text, upload, rich text format, desktop, 8K HR com. It's uploaded. 4. Remove this. Format. Go back. Okay, go to long text. Go to change editor. Control X. Never leave this first line empty, otherwise it will not show here. Fine, unselect this. Go to this. Write 32K here. Long text. Again, go to change editor. Nothing is here. Now text, upload, rich text format, desktop, and compressor 32. Okay, select this. This has been uploaded. Remove this. Control X, Control V. Go back. $48K. Select this. Go to long text. Repeat the steps. Change editor. More text. Upload. Rich text format. Select from your desktop. 48K hours comp. Select this. This has been uploaded. Remove this. Control X, Control V. Go back. Now all 4 operations included. Okay, now we'll go to the maintenance packages and set the sequences. Since we have since we have attached it with the strategy, now we will select this with 4K. We will select this with 8K, we will select this with 32K, and we will select this with 48K. So when these, according to this strategy, when this running hours will be achieved, so that task list only will come in with is will be attached with notification. So now go back and save this. The task list has been created. Since steps are same, so we will create the task list in the same way for engine, and two task list for E&I, engine and as well as compressor. So go for it. Alright, since we have completed our task list creation process, now we will go to the step number 3 and learn how to create a measuring point. Okay, go to transaction IK01, enter the equipment tag. We will copy it from here. M is for measuring point and measuring point is counter. Press enter. Now enter the description. We will enter the description, running hours counters for HRL compressor D. Now we have to put the characteristics. Since we are looking for the running hours, we will enter this for the running hours. For counter overreading, we will not enter anything, but any hours will be 8700. Enter. Now we will save it. The measuring point is created, that is 1471. Okay, go to transaction IK11. Enter the measuring point that we have created, that is 1471. Press enter. Now we will enter the counter reading, that is 20,750, and we will press enter. Now we have updated the counter readings for the group counter that we have created. We will enter the date, so we will remember that, that is 27th August 2023. Save. The counter and the measuring document has been created. Alright, since we have completed the creation of measuring point, now we will create maintenance plan for the engine as well as compressor, utilizing our strategies that we have created earlier. So just go for it. Go to transaction IP01, select the maintenance category that is relevant to you. Now enter the strategy so that we can link our strategy with our maintenance plan. Press enter. Now enter the PM plan text. PM plan for HRL compressor unit D. We will copy this. We will enter here. We will write, since we want a notification to mechanical, we enter mech PM plan for HRL compressor unit D. Now we will enter the equipment. Control C, Control V. Now we will press enter. The rest data will be carried by SAP, but there are mandatory fields. We need to enter PM notification and the priority. Enter. Now the system is asking that which counter you want to include. I will select this. Okay. Priority high. Okay. Now we will enter the task list that we created. A, the group for the mechanical for compressors, that is this one. We will copy this one. Enter. Now we will set the scheduling parameters that are already defined. Scheduling period 7 years, completion required, and now we will save this. The system is asking that the counter you have maintained should be initial counter. I would say yes. So the maintenance plan has been created. Now we want to add for E&I as well. So I will go to IP02, press enter. Now you can see that everything is fine. Now we will create a new item. That will be E&I PM for this same equipment. Enter. We will change the main work center. E&I priority will be high. Task list A. For E&I we have 771. Enter. Now we will save this maintenance plan. In the same way we will create for engine as well. So just go for it. Alright, let's complete the final step and complete the creation of a strategy maintenance plan. Go to transaction IP10, enter the maintenance plan that you have created, press enter. Now click on start in cycle, select packages. Now we will set the offset, click here, click start offset, go back. Now save the maintenance plan. In the same way, we will schedule the maintenance plan for compressor, press enter, start in cycle, select packages, click here, set start offset, go back. Now save the maintenance plan. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, please mention in the comments. I hope you got new thing today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching.